myself, Mohammad Azharuddin. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Money and Credit in Economics. So let's begin with the terminology of this chapter. The chapter has two terms in the very beginning, that is money and credit. We have to discuss about the first what is money, then how it helps in the credits. So in simple terms, we can say the money, the things which we use to buy goods and services. Anything which we use to buy and services. You may say, sir, how is it possible we can use anything? So yes, it is possible in earlier time, but nowadays the money, the introduction of money has created new system. Money is authorized by the government. So there is, when you see the notes, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, then you find the signature of governor, no? That is the authorization. That's why we accept the money everywhere. Okay? So money has authorizations. First, it is accepted by all and it can be stored for a longer time. And it is standard measure of price. If you have a 10 rupees here, you may use in Bhubaneswar and Bangalore and Delhi also, it will be 10 rupees. The standard value is there. So whatever you want to buy, either it's goods or services, goods like the, banana, potato, mangoes, everything you buy in the market, that comes from the money. And what is services? Like when you hire teachers and you the tuition fee, you give tuition fee, na? That is the services. So money is the common acceptable things which you use to buy goods and services. Okay, got it? You can say, sir, what our ancestors do when they had no money. So there is another system that is known as a give and take system. You give some things and they exchange with some things. Goods, only the goods are theirs. So that is known as a barter system. What is B-A-R-T-E-R, barter system. What was the barter system? Barter system was nothing, just the person having some goods, like you have grains and some other person having the fruits, and then you want you will exchange the system. You exchange the things to fulfill your needs. It was good, you say it was good, but it had some challenges. What kind of challenges barter system had? The first challenge was that to find out the real person to exchange the things. Whether you suppose you want fruits, but the person has fruits, doesn't want your grains, he wants something else. So the first problem was that to find out the double coincidence of ones. What was the next problem? The standard value of your things, your goods. The second problem was challenge the find out the standard value of your goods. And what was the third? Third was that you can't store your goods for a longer time. It is problematic. Suppose you have a banana in your gardens and you want to exchange it, but you did not find a person to exchange. It was unexchanged. On that day, after 2 or 3 days, banana will be gone. Finished, it will be rotten. So what is the use? So that was the problem of barter system. We first need to find out the person having needs of the things which we had, and another is the standard measure of price, the standard value. That was not possible, and a third one it was not stored. It can't be stored for longer time. Okay, so these were the challenges of barter system. Now we'll discuss the next term, that is the credit. After the invention of money, we had a new system. Someone has, after doing the business, someone has a surplus money. You know, very well you know, in your class, the students having much more money than you. And someone has the need of the money. So there is a surplus, one side, another side is need of the money. Some are the poor, some are the rich. So a new system emerged, what to do with the surplus money. The surplus money will not multiply by itself. So the person thinks that we have to use this surplus money. So there is emergence of the credit system. Credit, in earlier time, it was done by our Lala, Baniya, Sahukar, relatives. But here, after the systematic government, that is you say the democratic governments, the modern governments, so we invented a bank. We invented new system, that is bank. What is the bank?
Yeah.
Bank is an institution which used to give the money as a loan to the needy person. You say, sir, from where he got the money? The bank, from where the bank got the money for lending? Person having surplus money, the bank asked them, sir, please deposit to us. Then you say, that, sir, why the person deposit his or her money in the banks? Then the banks replies that they will give you some extra money in the name of interest. So while putting your money inside the house, that would not be beneficial. So if you put your surplus money in the bank, they will give the interest, some extra money other than the basic amounts. So they agreed. Okay, I'll give the money, I'll deposit money to the bank. So whosoever is having surplus money and they deposit money in the banks called depositors. The person called depositors. Then you say, what to do with the deposit money? Then bank has to find the person. There are too much needy person, two are businessmen and two are new entrepreneurs. They want to start the business, but they don't have money. They have the idea, they have the plan, but they don't have money. So they went to the bank and they asked the cashier, sir, please provide us some money. So bank said, okay, we'll give you money, but we'll take interest. After the basic amounts, you have to pay the interest. They agreed, okay, we have no other awesome, we'll give you. After taking the benefit from the business, we'll give you the interest. So the matter is done. That there is who takes the loan from the bank, known as the borrower, who deposited money in the banks, called depositors. So depositors get the interest from the bank, and borrower who takes loans from the bank give the interest to the bank. The interest rate between bank given to the depositors and borrower given to the bank called the income of the bank. What is the income of the bank? The interest between the depositors and the borrowers. So generally the depositors' interest are low and the interest given by the borrower is high.
And we're gonna let it